if you want to charge your Xiaomi 17T, then the only way to do so is by simply using the USB cable. Now in my case I have USB-A to USB-C, but of course USB-C to USB-C works as well. The original cable is in fact USB-A to USB-C, but if you had to replace it and now you are wondering if USB-C to USB-C works, then the answer is yes. So you should be able to use it. Now, ideally, you want to connect your phone to something that provides lots of power. Of course, the best choice is going to be a power adapter or charger. Now, of course, you want to consider, you want to check the port that we have on the power adapter if you do not have a power adapter yet for your Xiaomi 17T. So if you don't have a dedicated power adapter for your phone, or any power adapter in fact, and you are about to purchase it, since the original cable is USB-A to USB-C, you probably want to find a power adapter with USB-A, but if you have a power adapter with USB-C, then of course you can just simply change the cable. And before you get the power adapter, if you want to, or if you have to charge your phone, you can use pretty much anything that provides power via USB cord. So this can be, let's say, your car, your computer or laptop, power bank, and so on and so forth. There are many different, of course, ways to charge a smartphone via USB cable, and anything that provides power, like I said, it works. Of course, some tools are going to be worse, meaning that it will take longer to charge your phone. For example, usually computers are very slow for charging smartphones, but still, they are still a good choice if you are about to completely run out of the battery. Now, if you are not sure how to actually start charging the phone, how to connect it, in the case if I use the power adapter, of course we connect it to the power adapter. There we go. Then we put it to the power socket, and then we just connect it to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. And there we go. Now we are charging. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.